And we won't break those up too much now. We'll run into some of those later. But the expression "aulis go" means as though that something happened. Okay.
Ball is mouth also.
Bail is mouth.
Bail.
Yeah. Okay. Aulis go revshi balov, as though she were mute. And those are the things we're really reading. Other things will help because you'll see sentences that are similar and you go, yeah, that sounds like one I saw last week or something. And if you see enough of them, you start to get the patterns down. Okay. And then she says, Kerve sho. So who could this be? Kerve sho. So Ke. Who is this? Is Kehe sho. So Kehe shows who is this, who was this, or who could this be, are both Kerve sho. Okay. So this is the present, this is what's called the past and the conditional form. So Kerve sho would mean who could this be? Kerve sho. Agus ken kino banachta isho. Kino is one of the words we had in last week, so kind. So ken kino, what kind? Banacht is a blessing or greeting. Greeting in this case. Ken kino banachta, what kind of greeting? Isho, this. So, and what kind of greeting is this? Okay. Isho, this. Okay. Then number 9, Lower untanglery, so spoke the angel again. Okay, so lower is to speak.
What's the word for book?
Book is lower. Okay, so speak is lower, and lower. Lower is to speak. Is lower is book.
Yeah.
So the L's are a little different between lower and lower.
Is there a
So-
reason those two are so closely related?
I
I don't think they're so closely related in other languages.
think they are in actually
Well,
Latin.
the book speaks.
I think they are in Latin also.
I don't know, they try to tell me that the book reads. The book doesn't
Yeah.
say anything to me.
Yeah, they may be related actually. so.
Wow. That's
Okay.
I said the book didn't read either.
So number 10. Okay, so he says, Na biach agla ort awura, nutajia brasa filat. So okay, so say I'm afraid, ta agla oram, so there's fear on me. So this is just a variant of this. So you are afraid, ta agla ort, so there's fear on you. Na biach, let there not be agla ort, fear on you. Okay? So we're just changing ta. Okay? Na biach is let there not be. Okay, fear on you, Mary. Okay, so you address someone, you use awura. Okay? Nu here means for. Tajia, God is, bra sastalat. Sasta is satisfied, happy, contented. Okay? Bra sasta, very. Yeah. Okay? So bra is used a lot of times to mean very.
And no means.
No there means for. It's the for in this sentence.
So it's like because.
Because, yeah. Okay. So anyways, God is well content with you, basically. Okay. Then remember 11. Be babuyagat igyan nani mi. Okay. So be babuyagat, you will have a child. Okay. So the basic, I have a child, ta babuyagan, or ta pyanagam, I have a pen. Be babuyagat, you will have a
You
child.
have a baby adding.
Yeah, okay. Igyan, the expression igyan literally means in head, okay? But igyan means after a certain amount of time. So igyan ni mi means after 9 months, okay? And they put na in there, which means after the 9 months, okay? You don't really have to have na in there in Irish. That's just the way it was written there, okay? Igyan ni mi, so in 9 months. Mak aveasan, okay? This is kind of like our doctor thing we had here. Mak aveasan means a son will be, a son is what will be in him. It means he'll be a son, okay? The Aveus one, I don't want to get into it too much right now. It's going to be a little hard to explain. But this is what's called a relative in Irish. And for now, just notice it. And we'll see some more of these as we read other stuff. And you kind of get it. No, actually, okay, so a son, Aveus is kind of like ave. It means that will be. On is in him.
Son will be in him.
A son will be in him, meaning he will be a son. Kind of like doctor ta'onam, a doctor is in me, means I am a doctor. Okay? Mak aveasan. Agus turitu, and you will, tur means give, turitu, you will give, Isa, Jesus, mar anam as a name on him. Okay? And remember how to ask what's your name?
Karasanam.
Karasanam. Kad. Okay, Karasanam ditch, what is the name for you? Okay? There's another way to say it. Does anyone know another way to say it? Kin Tanam. Kin Tanam Ta'or. What name is on you? Okay? Okay, Kara Hogtaror is another way to say it, and that is, what do they give on you? What Hogtar mean? Hogtar that they give. So what do they give on you? Which is where this one comes from. Tori tu Isa there. So you will call him Jesus. Okay. Kara Hogtar or what do they call you? What do they put on you? What do they give on you is literally the way you say. What do you call them? This is a pretty common one too. Okay. And if you ask someone their name, you're going to probably ask one of these more likely. But this one, yeah. But you're going to see all three of them in conversation also. Okay. Okay. So actually, I have that written down. Okay, it's on a sheet. All right. So any questions on any of the stuff that's in here? Ready for another sheet?
The bingo sheet?
No, another bingo sheet.
And we're still writing behind you there.
I duplicated a couple of them.
Hogtar means literally.
Hogtar means literally they give.
They give.
Yeah.
Cod,
Hogtar or is what do they give on you or what do they call it?
oh, what did they give on
What do you
you?
call it? What do they get called really? Okay, so try to go through the questions quickly here. So ken tanamata man's Scéal. So what name is on the woman in the story? Mura. So Mura ta'urhi. So Mary is on her. Ka Revshi and Akoni. Where did she live? Right, Vishi in Akoni, Gahar Sagalil, or Vishi in Akoni in Nazareth, okay? Or Vishi in Akoni Sagalil. And Revshi Shingo Gyalta Nuposta. Shingo is single, Gyalta is engaged, and Posta is married. Vishi Gyalta. Okay? Yeah, and Gyal is a promise, so that's where Gyalta comes from. It basically means promised. Okay? Gyal, yeah. Yeah, with two L's. Yeah. And Rev and Van Sever, so was the woman wealthy? Ni Rev. Okay, so Kad Ahanak and Van, so what did the woman see?
Hanik and Van.
Engel, right. Hanak she Engel. Okay. Kadavishiag Jainav Nurahanakshie. So what was she doing when she saw him? Timaracht, right. Vishig Timaracht or Vishig Glana and Chi. She was cleaning the house. Okay.